So this video we're going to go over two-step equations with the distributive property. So for two-step equations with the distributive property, you need to distribute first. Well, pretty much always you need to distribute first. So 3 times 2x is 6x, and then 3 times 1 is 3, positive 3, and that is equal to 9. From here, you just have a regular two-step equation. So you circle the variable, draw a line down, subtract 3 from both sides. You get 6x is equal to 6, divide both sides by the coefficient, and x is equal to 1. Next one, distribute the negative 4 to the 5m, you get negative 20m. Negative 4 to 1, you get minus 4, and that equals 76. From there, you can add 4. And again, we're adding 4 because we're getting rid of that constant. We want 0 there so that we're on the way to getting the variable alone. So 76 plus 4 is equal to 80. And again, you're doing it to both sides because it's an equal sign. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So now we bring this down here, negative 20m. And we are dividing by the coefficient, which is the number in front of the variable. And again, we divide by the coefficient because you're getting rid of that. You're trying to get 1, and you get 1m, which is equal to m is equal to negative 4. All right, a couple more. Negative 2 times negative 8m is positive 16m. Negative 2 times negative 10 is positive 20, and that is equal to 4. So there's your two-step equation. Subtract 20. You get 16m is equal to negative 16. Divide both sides by 16, and m is equal to negative 1. In the last example, I just kind of reversed them. You might see that, so I figured I'd familiarize you guys with it. Distribute 7m plus 7 is equal to 21. Subtract 7. You get 14 is equal to 7m. Divide both sides by 7. M is equal to 2. And that's it.